Welcome to our latest video, where we dive into the world of DIY decor trends that might seem enticing but could actually hurt your home's value. From eccentric accent walls to overly themed rooms, we'll uncover how these popular design choices may not be as stylish as they appear. Join us as we explore 13 DIY decor strategies that could jeopardize your home's market appeal and discover smarter alternatives to enhance your space without sacrificing value. 1. Overly personalized accent walls. Accent walls can add character to a room, but overly personalized designs can be a turn-off for prospective buyers. Bright colors, quirky patterns, or themed murals may resonate with your personal taste but can alienate those who prefer neutral, versatile spaces. When potential buyers walk through your home, they should be able to envision themselves living in the space, and overly personalized decor can make that difficult. Neutral tones and classic designs are generally more appealing and can help maintain your home's value. Think of it like a blank canvas. Most buyers want to be able to paint their own picture, not be forced to work around someone else's masterpiece. 2. Textured wall finishes. Textured wall finishes, such as popcorn ceilings, sponge painting, or heavy plaster, can quickly become outdated. While they may have been trendy in the past, many buyers today prefer smooth, clean walls that are easier to maintain. Removing these textures can be a costly and labor-intensive process, which can deter buyers who are looking for a move-in ready home. Opting for simpler wall finishes can enhance the overall appeal of your home and make it more marketable. It's like wearing a timeless outfit, classic is always in style. 3. DIY painted countertops. While DIY painted countertops, such as epoxy or painted laminate, may initially look fresh and modern, they often wear poorly over time. These surfaces can chip, fade, and show signs of wear, leading to a temporary fix that screams, D. Potential buyers may view these countertops as a red flag, indicating that they will need to invest in replacements soon after purchasing the home. Instead, consider investing in durable materials that will stand the test of time and appeal to a broader audience. Much like a well-made piece of furniture, quality never goes out of fashion. 4. Bold, unconventional tile choices. Trendy tile patterns can be exciting, but they often become outdated quickly. What seems stylish today may not resonate with future buyers, making it an expensive decision to replace. Unique tile choices can also limit your home's appeal, as many buyers prefer classic designs that can easily blend with their own decor. When selecting tiles, it's wise to choose timeless options that will maintain their appeal and value over the years. Imagine the tiles as the backdrop of a play. They should support, not steal the show. 5. Converted garage spaces. Converting a garage into a living space, such as a gym or additional room, may suit your current lifestyle, but it can significantly reduce your home's value. Most buyers prioritize a functional garage for parking and storage, and a converted space can be seen as a detriment. If you're considering this conversion, think about how it will affect resale value and whether it aligns with the needs of potential buyers. A garage is often seen as a necessity, like a utility belt for a superhero. It holds all the tools needed for everyday life. 6. Too much open shelving. Open shelving can create a visually appealing look in kitchens and living areas, but it requires constant organization and maintenance. Many buyers prefer closed storage options that can hide clutter and provide a cleaner appearance. Too much open shelving can make a space feel chaotic and overwhelming, which may deter potential buyers. Instead, consider a balanced approach with a mix of open and closed storage solutions that cater to practicality. Think of it like a well-balanced meal. Too much of one thing can overwhelm the senses. 7. Wall-to-wall carpeting in every room. While carpeting can add warmth to a home, wall-to-wall carpeting in every room, especially if it's cheap or bold-colored, can lower your home's appeal. Many buyers today prefer hardwood or tile flooring for their durability and ease of maintenance. Carpeting can trap allergens and odors, making it less desirable. If you're considering new flooring, opt for materials that are timeless and appealing to a wide range of buyers. Much like a pair of shoes, the right flooring should be both functional and fashionable. 8. DIY bathroom remodels without permits. Bathroom remodels can add significant value to a home, but DIY renovations without the proper permits can lead to serious issues. Poorly installed plumbing, vanities, or showers can result in leaks and costly repairs, which can turn buyers away. It's essential to ensure that any renovations are done to code and with the necessary permits to maintain your home's value and appeal. Think of it as building a house of cards. Without a solid foundation, everything can come crashing down. 9. Trendy painted floors. Painting floors, whether tile or wood, may seem like a creative way to refresh a space, but it often leads to problems down the line. Painted floors can chip, wear unevenly, and require expensive refinishing. Buyers may be hesitant to take on the maintenance of painted floors, preferring natural materials that are more durable. If you're looking to update your flooring, consider options that are both stylish and practical. It's like choosing a wardrobe. Timeless pieces can be dressed up or down to fit any occasion. 10. Overly themed rooms. While themed rooms can be fun and creative, they can also limit your home's mass appeal. A jungle-themed kids' room or a pirate-inspired basement may delight your family, but potential buyers may struggle to see past the theme. When it comes time to sell, overly themed spaces can be a barrier to attracting a broader audience. Aim for a more neutral approach that allows buyers to envision their own style in the space. Think of it as a stage. The decor should set the scene without overshadowing the main performance. 11. Barn doors everywhere. Barn doors became a popular trend in home design, but their overuse can make them feel cliché. While they can add a rustic charm to certain spaces, they often lack the soundproofing and privacy of traditional doors. Buyers may view an abundance of barn doors as a sign of a home that is trying too hard to follow trends. Consider using barn doors sparingly and in appropriate contexts to maintain their appeal. It's like seasoning in a recipe, a little goes a long way. 12. DIY landscaping with invasive plants. Landscaping can enhance your home's curb appeal, but choosing invasive or high-maintenance plants can create problems for future owners. Fast-spreading species can overtake a yard, leading to frustration and costly removal. When landscaping, opt for native plants that are easier to maintain and won't disrupt the local ecosystem. Thoughtful landscaping can significantly boost your home's value and attract potential buyers. Much like a well-tended garden, it should flourish without constant intervention. 13. Over-the-top smart home features. Smart home technology can be appealing, but over-the-top features, such as voice-controlled lighting and high-end smart systems, may not be for everyone. These systems can be expensive to maintain and may not appeal to all buyers. When integrating smart technology into your home, focus on practical features that enhance convenience without overwhelming potential buyers. A balanced approach to smart home features can help maintain your home's value while still appealing to tech-savvy buyers. It's like a tech gadget, it should enhance life, not complicate it.